Hello everyone. We have already learned that how to write numerically 5-digit numbers in the previous video. We know that this place where the digit 1 is to the left of the thousands place is the 10,000 place. Now I have this 5-digit number. Now I can't read this number as 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. So how do I read this number? Or how can we write a 5-digit number in words? Or what is the number name of this number? Let's see. We know while naming the 4-digit number in words, we divided the number into 3 parts. This is the first part, the thousands place. This is the second part, the hundreds place. And this is the third part, the tens and ones place taken together. So the number name has 3 parts. The first part comes from the 8 in the thousands place, that is 8,000. The second part comes from the hundreds place, that is 200. And the third part comes from the tens and ones place taking together. So 3 and 5, 35. So the number name of this number is 8,235. Similarly, we can name the 5-digit number. Once again, we can divide it into 3 parts. That is, the number name is made up of 3 parts. The first part comes from these 2. The second part comes from this. And third part comes from these 2 taking together. So the first part comes from 1 and 5 taken together. 1 and 5 taken together is 15. Because it is in thousands place, we write as 15,000. Then I can take the hundreds place. There is 3 in the hundreds place. So 300. And then last part of the number name comes from these 2 tens and ones digits taken together. 2 and 4 taken together gives us 24. So the last part is 24. So it has 3 components. 1, this comes from this 2. Second part, which comes from this 3. And this is the third part. So don't think it's difficult to do. It's actually very simple. So just need to divide the number into 3 parts. First by taking 2 numbers, then 1 and then 2. So 2, 1, 2. This is how you divided. Also, when it is come to 5-digit number, we can put a comma after the first 2 digit. So I can put a comma after 5. That is, I can put a comma after the thousands place. How does it help us? It helps us by making it easy to read the number. How? I can see there is a comma after 15. So, immediately I can say that it is 15,000 and then 324. So, the number read as 15,324. So, the part before comma is the thousands part. So, this comma actually separates the thousands part from the digits on the right. Now, what about this number? How can I name this? Or how do I write it in words? It's a 5-digit number. Yes, 1 is in the 10,000s place. 8 is in the thousands place. And all the other digits are 0. So, first I divided into 212, 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit. Now the first part of the number name will be 18,000. Second part will be 0, 100. But do we ever write 100? No, we don't. So, we don't write anything. Third part will come from this 20. So, again 00 gives us 0. So, here again we don't write anything. So, this number will be 18,000. Means we don't write 100 or 0 or any such things. So, finally, the number name of this number is 18,000. Now, students, can you tell me the number name of this number? Well, now I can take the thousands and 10,000s place together, hundreds place and tens and ones place together. So, write in words 56,000. Now, this 3 is in the hundreds place, means 300, and I have 00 in tens and ones place. So, I don't write anything. So, I can read this number as 56,300. Now, students, let's try the new number. What is the number name of this number? First, we divided this number into 3 parts, 2, 1, 2. So, 4, 8 together make 48,000. Now, this 0 is in the 100 place. So, here we don't write anything. And 5 and 0 at the place of tens and ones. So, we take in together. 5 and 0 gives us 50. So, the number name of this number is 48,050. Now let's try this. Here we have one more 5-digit number. So again we divided them into 3 parts. 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit. Now the first part of the number name will be 70. So 70,000. Second part will be 0, means 000. But we know that we don't write anything. And again, in the third part, we have 20. So that 00 gives us 0. So here again, we don't write anything. So this number will be 70,000. It is read as 70,000. Now, how can I name this number? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 5 times 9. Here again we divided this number into 3 parts. 2, 1, 2. The first part of the number name will be 99, means 99, and it is in the thousands place. So it is 99,000. Second part will be 900. So 900. And the third part will be 99. So write there 99. So the number name of this number is 99,999, and it is also the greatest 5-digit number. So students, this is how you can name any 5-digit number or read any 5-digit number. You have to just break them into 3 parts: 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit. So do write some 5-digit number and write their names also. Thank you.